Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video, and today's video is going to be about eyeglasses again. For those of you that don't know, I do wear prescription glasses all the time, 24/7. Well, not 24/7. Well, pretty much all the time except when I'm sleeping or I'm showering. But other than that, I need to have a pair of glasses, otherwise I cannot see much. So because of that, we have found another website with very affordable and very nice prescription glasses. We're gonna go ahead and be trying them out. The website is FYTOO glasses. So it's this website right here. As you can see, I have not opened the box because I wanted to open it with you guys. Better glasses, clearer world. Totally agree with that, 100%. Let's go ahead and open it. This is very exciting for me. Every single time that I get new prescription glasses, it's exciting. Okay, let me show you right here what we got. Ooh, a cleaning cloth. Wait, it looks like it has something else on there. Let's see. Ooh, is it a little screw? It's a little screw. Thank you. It has both ends. Look at that, guys. Those of us that wear prescription glasses like all the time know the value of this. This is really nice, and it's on a keychain. I love this. Thank you, FYTOO. And of course, we got the cleaning cloth. You can never have enough of these. Never. As you can see, you can find them on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. And we got the glasses right here. Ooh, let's see which ones are these. So it's the 3 pairs right here. That's all that's in the box, right? Yes. Let's try this one first. I love when they come in this little bags, because if you need to like put them just in your bag and you know like there's not too much stuff in your bag where they're gonna get damaged, but then you forget the cleaning cloth, these could also be used to clean them. I don't know if that's wrong, but I do use this because this feels so soft, but I don't feel like it damages the glasses. But anyways, that's why I like when they come in these little bags. This is a little bit different. Typically it's just a little tie right here, but like they added a little bit of something. Go ahead and open it. Which ones are these? Green ones. Ooh, I told you guys, you can never have enough of these. Another cleaning cloth. Awesome. I love these. Okay, so it's these glasses are right here, and the name of these are Natalie. They have the little protecting wrapper right here. How satisfying is that, guys? As you can see, these are green right here, and the sides, it's like a tortoise style. Let's go ahead and try these on. Dun, dun, dun. I like it. I like it. Look how they look on the side right here. Guys, I really like these. First of all, they do feel very good quality when I open them, when I grab them. The weight of them feel good quality. Prescription is on point. I can see pretty good. Right here on the side of my nose, they don't feel heavy. I can feel them sitting there, but they don't feel too heavy. I can tell when they're going to be a problem if they feel a little bit too tight. They don't feel tight. The back of the arm right here is the perfect length. They don't feel too tight on the sides. They do feel like they're really grabbed on as well. Yeah, they feel grabbed on. They feel comfortable. I like it. I like the shape. I like the green, and I do like the contrast between the tortoise and the green. Like I said, the name of these are Natalie. So besides the green, these do come in blue and tortoise shell, which means like the tortoise would go all over, like it would be just the tortoise shell, and the blue ones would also just be just the frame right here, and the arms would be tortoise as well. But I chose the green because I don't have any green ones, or I didn't have any green ones. These were perfect. I like it. I feel like they suit me very well. I think these are perfect for every day. If you don't mind wearing the green all the time, I wouldn't. I really like them. So these specifically are in the size medium, and the shape of these is square. I would like to say the plastic is pretty thick and sturdy. Like they don't feel flimsy at all. They feel good quality. I really hope that shows through the camera. Like the plastic is not thin. It feels good quality. That's all I can say. I think these are good for a long time. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the next pair. Okay, so we got the other pair right here. Okay, we got these right here. These are called Neil, and these are just in the two-tone. That's all it says right there. I really hope you can see right here how thick the plastic is, and I hope you can tell like how much of a good quality it looks like, or at least it feels like. Okay, let's go ahead and try these on right here. Ooh. Ooh, I like them. I really like the two-tone. I feel like this blends like with my skin tone. Again, the prescription is on point. They feel comfortable right here on the side. They feel perfect around my nose as well. It feels like the perfect combination of weight between my temples right here and my nose. Like, it doesn't feel too heavy on one side or the other. The length is also perfect behind my ear. They don't feel too tight. They also feel like they're very grabbed onto my face. They don't feel like they're too loose. Now, like I said, for the color for these two-tone, it's only this pair. The size of these is also medium, and the shape of these is rectangular and square, which obviously you can see that. I am really happy with these. I mean, I can tell you that I do like when a pair of glasses fit me underneath my brows. If they're a little bit over my brows, the shape's gotta be some kind of like extravagant shape or like a specific shape. Otherwise, I do feel a little bit uncomfortable. These don't so far. Like the two pairs that we've tried, they don't, which makes me feel really comfortable. It makes me feel like I really like these. I like the color, like the teal color. I used to be into this color like in high school so much. I still own a lot of things in this color, so it brings a little bit of memories. But I love the two-tone. I think this is my first pair that's two tones. I think so. I feel like the yellow really blends almost like with my skin tone. I really enjoy this. I mean, I like them. I really do. But these lenses are photochromic lenses, which means they do darken under the sunlight. I think this is perfect, especially for like the shape that we got right here and the two-tone. I think they will look pretty cool. And besides the photochromic, they do also have the blue light filter. So far, I think by now, these days, it's best to get your glasses with blue light filter, because we're all on our devices pretty much all the time. If it's not a phone, it's a computer, a laptop, even the TV. But anyways, I really do enjoy these as well. Let me know what you guys think. And again, they feel really good quality. They don't feel flimsy or anything like that. I really hope you guys can see. Moving on to the next pair. Next and last pair. I already knew these. I was excited for these two. Well, I am excited for these two. Take them off. Okay, these are called Lance, and these are in the shade of purple. They just come in the shade purple. I hope you can see. Okay, let's go ahead and try them on. Prescription is on point. Perfect. I don't know how I feel about these. I don't know if the color doesn't suit me. What do you think? Besides me being confused, they do feel comfortable. The back arm is also perfect in size and length. They feel comfortable on the sides of my ears, on the sides of my temples as well. And on my nose, they also feel comfortable. They don't feel too heavy. Also, the quality feels amazing as well. Now, these just come in just purple. There's no other shades. The shape of these is square and the size is medium. Let me look at myself like from farther away in the mirror. Okay, so I do like the shape. I think it's the color that I'm not like, what? Like, my skin tone is olive, kind of like more in the warm tone. Maybe that's why. Maybe it looks a little bit odd with the purple. Maybe it doesn't really go that well. I don't know. There's something that's like, I think it's the color. It's the color. I like the color. By themselves, I do like the color. I chose these because of the color, but I don't think it's going well with my skin tone. But that's not gonna stop me from wearing them, just letting you know. I just gonna find like a little, I don't know, like a specific hairstyle or a specific makeup. They're gonna be worn. Trust me, they're gonna be worn because they feel comfortable. Prescription is awesome, and we gotta play with colors. I really love that these glasses are very affordable and they feel very good quality. I cannot express that enough. I showed you the close-up for that reason, and they felt good quality. They feel good quality on you as well. Now, again, the website is called FYTOO, and I will leave it in the description down below for you guys. I think it's fair you guys can check them out. You can play and look all the styles that they have. I really enjoyed that website when I was looking into their glasses, and I was really excited. I'm really excited even for these pairs. Like, these look fun. because I love the glasses. I love how they look. My only issue right now is just the tone. I feel like the purple doesn't go well with my skin tone. I will fix that. Other than that, I love the shape. I love the size. Of course, I love the feel and the good quality. I cannot express that enough. The good quality. Now let's go ahead and take these off, and I'm gonna go ahead and put on the favorite ones. Okay, so those are all the pairs of glasses that I have from this website, which I truly recommend. I really liked all the pairs. I really enjoyed the quality more than anything. For the price, I think this is a great steal, especially if you need to wear glasses all the time. Nowadays, having different prescription glasses, it's like having different styles of clothes. It depends how you feel on the day, right? And the fact that they're really affordable, especially right here on FYTOO, I would really recommend. Again, the main reason what I do recommend is the quality. The quality is definitely there. So I do recommend this website. They're gonna be in the description down below. They also did provide me a discount code for you guys, and that's gonna be right here. It's gonna be Natalie15 for 15% off, and that's gonna be for your entire order depending on what you order. So if you are interested in purchasing, besides them being so affordable, you also get a discount. Why not? I would use it. I probably am. After choosing these frames, I also added a few more to my cart that I do plan to buy in the future. Not right now, but I do have some pairs already that I have like in my wish list. And that's how I know when I really like a product. If I take the time to make an account for the website and start saving things to the wish list, that's because I'm gonna go back, and that's because I really liked their product. So again, if you guys are interested, I'm gonna be leaving everything in the description down below, including their website, my discount code, and the links for all the glasses that I've been talking about that I showed you guys. Also, a quick note before I'm done with this video, all these 3 pairs of eyeglasses do have the blue light filter. It was just these right here that besides having the blue lights, it also had the photochromic lenses. But other than that, all these 3 do have the blue light filter, which is very convenient in my opinion, especially for me. I am in front of a screen all the time. If it's not my phone, it's my laptop, and I do need to be in front of a screen all the time. And I just wanted to mention that in case you wanted to add that filter to your lenses, they do also have that option. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna leave you guys with that, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also find me on Instagram as Aretizavala, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye.